Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we are going to be doing a ton of cleaning as always. I've got some decluttering going on real quick. These things that need to leave the house, some of my daughter's stuff, and some of my son's things that he has outgrown. We are going to be doing a lot of cleaning upstairs, tidying up the living room and the kitchen before heading downstairs and doing a little more of a deeper clean down there, as well as washing floors and vacuuming.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh.
My daughter built a fort last night, and so she left over a huge mess. The boxes, there's blankets that need to be washed. I also left some shopping bags full of things that I picked up at Ross from yesterday. So I have to go ahead and tidy that up. I also have to basically get a pile of things that need to be exchanged. Some of the shoes need to be exchanged because they are a little too big, but they were such a great deal. Ross has a lot of really great things for kids right now.
Everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you.
Finally got into the kitchen area, and honestly, the kitchen wasn't too bad today. It did need tidying up. I did make a meal yesterday, so some of those things have to be put away, like the pots and pans have to be washed still. The stove needs to be cleaned.
Let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place.
If you guys are new here, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of two. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean with me videos for cleaning motivation, as well as some DIY and design. And if this is the type of content that you enjoy, I'd be grateful if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
Take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you.
Recently, I wanted to try out this Zep all-purpose cleaner and like degreaser, and I've been using it for about 2 weeks, and I really have to recommend it. It does such a good job at cutting through on dirt, grime, and grease. It has also been a lifesaver in cleaning the dirt off our walls. So if you guys are looking for a new cleaner, I would definitely recommend it, and I will have it linked in my description. You can buy on Amazon. It's really only like $3, and I just bought a gallon to fill up for I think $8.50.
Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh!
you can see the huge pile of things that need to go either downstairs into the laundry room or into storage. I also have a few more things in the garage that need to go into storage. I did buy some baby things that I will eventually use, like a crib. I'm not setting any of that up until closer to my due date. I bought like a mini crib and, you know, like a high chair. I got it for like a really good sale. So I already picked it up, and I am not going crazy this time around with the baby. I am buying basic necessities, and I do not want my home cluttered. I feel like with my son, because he was my first, not only did we get a bunch of stuff, but I bought a bunch of stuff, and it just becomes overwhelming with 2 kids already and their stuff. I do not want my house cluttered.
City lights are making me wanna be something else than I'm meant to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles, miracles. Oh, yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
There's so much vacuuming that needs to be done practically on a daily basis. I have a German Shepherd Husky mix, so she sheds a lot, especially in the spring. She just recently got, bathed, and they brushed her out and everything. And I'm pretty sure we have to do it again because she is mega shedding. You can see all of the fur. This is just from upstairs, primarily on the rug. So I do think I have to go take her to the groomers again and have them de-shed her some more.
Dreaming big makes me smaller than I wanna be, but I guess I'll get you.
My basement wasn't too bad today. I did have the kids help clean with me today. My son was organizing a lot of his own things. My daughter was also cleaning. So my basement doesn't look too bad. We did do a deep clean. I did the dishes right now, and I wanted to go ahead and scrub down the sink. I will also be washing floors down here again. It is track season for us. My kids ride dirt bikes. So every weekend they come home and they are filthy. So right now is the time that I really do need to spend a lot of time cleaning the floors, especially if we want to maintain a clean house.
Used to being small in a world that's not acting kind, even if I don't want to. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, what it used to be. Not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after
When my kids spend at least 20 minutes in cleaning up their own messes, I am so relieved. It really takes a burden off of my back, and I don't feel like a maid anymore. I don't feel like the housekeeper. I feel like a human being because it really does help when someone else just picks up. And when they pick up their own messes, I am so incredibly grateful. As they get older, they get even better. They are able to maintain their bedrooms mostly. My son and my daughter actually know how to do laundry. They know how to turn on the washer, the dryer, fold their clothes. They know what has to be hung up, and they can vacuum. The only thing that I don't really let them do is dishes because they don't always come out the cleanest. So I think eventually that's a chore that we can add on when they get a little bit better at cleaning the dishes a little more thoroughly.
you know it's way too late. Regretting our mistakes. It got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize. We went too far this time. Come a little closer. There's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby. Please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know we got this.
So I try and clean the floors about once a week. I'm using boiling hot water here, and I'm going to use some Sal suds. I'm going to go over with my Cedar mop and clean it. Now, this is a pretty decent clean. However, if I do want a deep clean, I have to basically get on my hands and knees with a rag and some cleaning solution to get into every nook and cranny. However, this does a good enough job for a once a week clean. Like I said, if I want a deeper clean like once a month, I have to get on all fours, and it is exhausting. So it is not something that I do on a weekly basis.
It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer. There's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby. Please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know we got this.
Lastly, I'm going to go through and run down the basement bathroom. I'm going to bleach the toilet really quick and just kind of clean the outer rim. Let that sit for a minute before I wipe it down with some Clorox wipes. Then I'm going to go ahead and clean the countertops off, bleach the toothbrush holder. I do have more of like a deeper organizing that I do need to do with some of my products, but I don't have the time for that today. Right now, I just want to make sure that it looks presentable.
you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby. Please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You've got nothing to prove, oh, baby. I know we got this. You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though
I really hope you enjoy this video and you got some cleaning motivation to tackle on some of the cleaning that you have at your home. If you did, like I said earlier, I'd be so grateful if you gave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and checked out some of my other videos. There's tons of cleaning motivation in all of my other videos.